First of all, hey guys, it's Kairus Eleanor. Welcome to my dorm here in the beautiful town of Chicago. My kind of town. She's a university girl now, and here we have a dorm. So first of all, we have this, which is kind of ugly, but like we have to have it. This is our fridge. I'm not gonna open it because it looks a little chaotic right now.
Yeah.
Sorry, it looks a little chaotic. But we have our microwave, also a little chaotic, but better than the floor microwave, which literally exploded yesterday. Not really, but someone was making popcorn and now it's all buttery. So that's not good. Here we have my kettle. Who's like banging outside? Here's my kettle. She's bright red and she's beautiful. And I got her at Canadian Tire. Oh, she's an international student. Then there's hand sanitizer. Fresh citrus. In case we need that. This is my roommate's, you'll meet her soon. She's behind the camera! This is my roommate's little coffee maker. It's very cute. I like the blue and the red. I think it really defines us as people. This is my bed. She's large and in charge. She's not really, she's a twin XL. Nothing's fitting in there except my little buddy. So here's my little hook that I keep all my stuff on. So I have like my little keys for my dorm and my pepper spray because I don't want to die. And then I have this little thing that keeps my school ID and like my CTA card and stuff like that. Beautiful and efficient. Then I have my little camera. Follow my camera account. Here we have my bedside caddy. I think that's what people call it. I just call it my little pocket thing that's beside my bed. And I keep all my stuff here. And does it fall apart sometimes? Yeah. Because I have a full Stanley Cup in my bedside caddy. I keep my little AirPods charging here. I have my Aquaphor. That's actually like empty. Is that coming from upstairs?
I think so.
Guys, what are they doing up there? I've had this since grade 11. And it just ran out on me. And I'm really sad about it. And all the ones that are at our local Walgreens are like short and fat. And I don't know why they're not shaped like this. It's really freaking me out. Here we have iPad and book and my cranberry pills. Stanley. I have like my birth control, my allergy meds. My RuPaul. Shout out RuPaul. And then my like thing for my fairy lights, book thing, sleeping mask, but I lost my sleeping mask last night. Fun story, guys. I don't know where it is. I put it on my face yesterday, last night, wake up, it's nowhere to be found. I think it might be like in the crevices of my bed and I'm gonna need to dig for it. I don't know what I do at night, but like, have you seen my bed when I get out of it?
Yeah.
And the sheets are flying everywhere. I don't know what I do when I sleep. I don't know if I'm just like kicking, I don't know what happens, but something happens. Not that. Then we have this normal bed sheet. These bed sheets were actually gifted to me by my grandma. Thank you, grandma. I love you so much. They're very cute. She knows me very well. All these pillows are from Target. Literally all of them, except for my pillow that I sleep on. It's a Blissy pillow because I'm high maintenance and I want my silk. This pillow is actually like my savior. It's so comfortable. It's my little like reading thing. I just sit there and I read and I sit there and I watch my Arrested Development and I'm like, this is literally peak. Nothing gets better than this. This was made for me by my friend Serafina back home because I'm a film major. This was gifted to me by my brother John because we watched Avatar this summer as like our summer show. And that's Appa. And I love Appa. Here's my stool. Because our beds are, mine's kind of lofted. When you see Isabella's, you'll see the full extent of the loft. But mine's just lofted enough that I need a stool. I didn't have a stool for the first week that I was here, and Isabella wasn't here yet because she moved in a week later. So I would start at her end and I'd run up and jump onto my bed, and it sucked. And I'd hit my knee on this and I'd be in pain and it was awful. So I got this so that cannot happen. Under my bed, gym bag, I have like a bunch of cords because they gave us like 2 outlets. What's up with that? Hey guys, complaint. They gave us 2 outlets. So I have like 1 outlet down there that everything's connected to. So like my Apple Watch is there, random totes and like my suitcase and stuff for when I go back home. I have this, which has a bunch of random... oh, she's full. Okay, I got my Bible. Look at this, guys. Isn't this cute?
Yes.
Don't you guys love it? It's in my drawer. Textbooks. Dayquil. The necessities. In this drawer I have like my jewelry and stuff, and in this drawer I have my laundry stuff. This is my little cart. And I love my cart. If I didn't have her, I don't know where I'd be. She's my favorite. I have a little picture of my Annie Buzzy here. I have little plants, just like little knickknacks that are like I wanted to bring to like what makes me me, Elton. And I got my mugs, I got this. Actually, this is worth mentioning. This is actually a gift my best friend Ava gave me for my 18th birthday, and she filled it with a bunch of pictures of me and like little notes, and it's very adorable. She doesn't like the cover. She bought it at Dollarama, and then she was like, I fear I flew too close to the ironic sun with this cover, but it's okay. So I have that here. I have like Nintendo Switch, books, and then my last tier of the cart is all my snacks. So I got all the snacks that Isabella gave me from her work, and I got popcorn, and I got sunflower seeds, and then I have a little crunch crunch on them. Here is our TV. We are currently doing a horror movie, not a marathon, it's like a...
I don't know.
I don't know either. We watch a horror movie a week, and we have a scratch off poster, which we'll show you soon. And we scratch off the little thing, and it's very cute. So this is where we watch those. We also watch the Wiggles documentary here.
Oh yeah.
We love the Wiggles documentary. And then on the inside this drawer, many things. Coffee, tea. I bought this at Walgreens, and I think it made my acne worse. So I'm like, maybe that'll stay there for a very long time. We don't know, because I bought two, because I'm stupid. Here's our horror movie poster that I was just talking about. She is falling apart. She's falling off our wall. But it's okay.
It's okay.
It's okay. We did scratch off ones that we've both seen before.
Oh, we didn't
like,
scratch off the one from yesterday.
Oh, we didn't. Where are you?
It's underneath the Texas Chainsaw Massacre. The Fly.
We watched The Fly last night. Guys, don't watch The Fly.
Don't.
It was disgusting. Like, it wasn't horror and like, oh, a jump scare. It was just like literally the grossest thing I've ever seen. Jeff Goldblum Fly was not it.
No.
He wasn't doing it for me. I didn't really love that, but you know what? It was one of those movies where it's like, oh, this is so good, but I'm never watching it again. Wicker Man was the first one we watched, and it was also weird.
Yeah.
It was like midsummer, but like 70s. Here we have our hooks where we keep our bags. I have a lot. Isabel has one.
Yay!
This is my like fancy bag.
Ooh.
And then this is my like, I'm going out for the whole day and I need all my things bag. And this is my normal bag. This isn't real leather, and if I wear white while I have this on, then it rubs off on my shirt. Because of my sweat, and it's really fine. This is our vacuum. What do we call it?
We called it
The
Nunu?
Is that the name?
Nunu can never leave the Teletubbies.
Dome. Okay, so this is Nunu. The reason why we call it Nunu is because of Nunu from Teletubbies, the big vacuum from Teletubbies. So this is our Nunu, and Nunu can never leave the Teletubby Dome.
The Teletonic Superdome.
Yep, never ever. This is our outlet that probably is a fire hazard.
Oh, most likely.
But we did have an inspection lately, and like, they didn't say anything. We haven't heard anything back. We might hear back next week, we don't know. So we're kind of worried, but like, I figured that's the only thing, and maybe like that one near your place.
Yeah, the one in your mind sparks.
But like, they gave us like 4 outlets, like that's not enough.
That's
like,
not okay.
So that's that. This is my school bag, which is brand new, because I brought one that I bought in like grade 8, and then I was like, why do I have this? And I had one of those things in the like the front pouch that's like address and phone number in case you like lose your backpack, and I had like my Canadian address on it, so I was like, that's not gonna fly. So I bought a new one. She's stuffed. She has a little camera keychain on her, which is really cute. My friend Maddie got me that for my birthday. This is my giant IKEA mirror that my mom gave me because I was like, I need a mirror, and she was like, I have one from IKEA. Here's my desk. Oh look. Oh look. The same photo is there again, and you'll see it a third time when we go back to Isabella's side. I have an Otis Redding poster here. I didn't even talk about posters over there, but there's nothing much to say. They're all from Redbubble except for 2. My Billie Eilish one, you can go back. My Billie Eilish one is from the Hit My Heart and Soft vinyl, and the Please Don't Destroy one is when I saw them live in July of 2023 in like Michigan, I think is where I saw them live. I have like all my getting ready stuff here, and then I have like the switch over to all my school stuff. So I keep things under here, like my little roller from my bangs and my little band-aids, because I get hella blisters because I'm not used to having to walk this much. City walking is no joke. I had these little things from IKEA. That's from Target. I got my gum, I got my little lamp. This is really cute because you can adjust the brightness. So I'm a big fan of that. I brought this from home because film major, like I gotta. And then I have my little laptop and my little vinyl coaster. And then inside I have like a mix of all these things. I got all of my school merch here. Normally I don't have this much pride, but this is just the sweater I chose to put on my chair for now. And I look like I'm obsessed. I think that's my side. Do you want to do your side?
Yeah!
Yay! Let's do a switch!
Okay, so my side is a little bit chaotic.
It's okay.
So we'll start off with my snack cart because I think that's probably the best thing. Bottom layer we have salty stuff, so like ramen, mac and cheese, you know, all the fun stuff. It's running a bit low, so it looks really.
Is
low.
it? That looks pretty full of me,
No,
girl.
like my protein bars because I'm a gym girly.
She's a gym girl.
I'm a gym girly.
3 times a week.
Also, these are coconut caramel bites, Girl Scout.
Are they good?
Amazing.
Okay.
Got Costco.
Oh,
Costco's
beautiful.
our Lord and
Costco
Savior.
never fails.
And my Brita filter with my little colorful cups that I never
Tongue
use.
twister.
That I never use. So, as Kairus said, my bed is very lofted.
It's high up there. Let's do a little 0.5 so you guys
Oh.
can really see.
Yeah.
It's up there.
Just so you know, I am like 5'3".
Yeah.
So that's tall.
yeah.
So here we have my desk. I have a little pillow for my butt. And then we have a ton of like fun stuff in here, office stuff. This is my favorite thing on my desk. My little sister gave it to me. It's a little Dean Winchester Funko Pop that holds my wires from falling into the
Adorable.
abyss. My keys. My keys. My wonderful whiteboard. My beautiful stickers. I have a little mirror that I never use. This is my fun corner.
Aww.
Over here we have my picture wall of all my favorite people
Yay.
from home. Like my dance friends, my sister. That's us
Again.
for the third time.
We love us.
I have a little dino nuggie.
Aww.
It's a nightmare standing underneath here. We have like my jewelry and my makeup. These are like my stuff. Lithuanian flag.
Represent.
And then I got this from my best friend from Etsy, which is super cute. In here we have like food stuff. It's very disorganized right now. Food stuff. I crochet.
Crochet club.
I made a little coaster.
Aww.
And I made baby hats and stuff. Over here we have a picture frame that I got for my graduation party that has photos of me and my friends from like when we were little.
Beautiful.
I have my medicine cabinet, which has so many Pepto-Bismol, ibuprofen, anything you can imagine. I have my mugs and stuff. I have this, which is very fun. My little lights. They're more aesthetic at night. We have the big lights on right now.
We have the big lights on because of video.
Because of video.
We're sorry, guys.
And this is actually how I have to get into my bed every night. I have to squeeze through here. I have to climb up onto this thing. And then I have to climb up here.
Isn't that
Did
beautiful?
I almost fall out the window multiple times? Yes.
Yeah.
But it's okay. I have posters that are falling off the wall. Woohoo! And then I have my stuffies up there.
Beautiful.
So yeah.
My favorite is the cow.
Oh yeah, the cow is covered in lipstick because I brought it to my recital and I was like, guys, kiss the cow.
Should we do bathroom?
Maybe we should.
Guys, you're gonna see something crazy. This is our mirror. We have
it just went out of focus.
Calling it weird! SNL premiere for season 50 happened, well, I guess it'd be like 2 weeks since this video comes out, but it was 1 week ago. And you guys should see the Moodang skit because it was really funny. This is our bathroom. It's just for us two, which is like peak.
Yeah.
Because I've heard people talking about the bathrooms that they have with like suite mates, and they're not liking it. So I'm happy that it's just the two of us. And fun story, our water is currently cut off because they're like fixing something. Like they sent us an email yesterday that was like, just so you know, like your water's gonna be cut off for like 5 hours. Maybe that's what they're doing.
That's probably what they're doing.
Guys, they're fixing our water. I don't know what's wrong with our water.
I don't know. I think they said there's something maybe with pipes.
So here's my side. I have all my stuff. My collection. Eucerin, the love of my life. I wish my Aquaphor wasn't out. I think this is out too. I actually need to get new Eucerin. Because look at this. She's literally smushed. I love Eucerin. And then the really cool thing, our mirror's open. See? He likes it. He said, yes! And then we have drawers here. Keep all your things. Like this for my herpes. Then we have these drawers, you can keep all your things in there. And it's like the most efficient thing ever. I love our bathroom. They just renovated it like this summer. So we're like the first people to use it, which is peak. Because I've heard complaints of mold in showers. And I'm happy that if there's gonna be any mold, it's gonna be our mold. This is Bedside. I don't think she wants to tour anything.
No, it's not that interesting. I have a sparkly picture frame of me and my sister that sheds glitter everywhere, so I don't touch it.
Yeah, I was cleaning her side once when I was cleaning the bathroom, and I was like, there's glitter everywhere.
Oh yeah, you gotta like pick it up like it's a nuclear bomb.
It was really funny, but I enjoyed it. It gave me some energy. And we got toilet
corner.
That's our sad toilet corner. And what's really sad about it?
Worse on camera.
And what's really sad about it is that when you're sitting on it, you can see yourself in the mirror.
Yeah.
And it's really funny. That's our little sad toilet corner. It's beautiful. We have a cactus.
Oh yeah, the little cactus in the corner.
Yep.
I put it there to liven it up a little bit.
Yeah, just give it some more energy because it is depressing.
Yeah.
And this is our little shower, like dark as hell.
Oh my god.
I don't even. Is it a corner? It is.
I don't think.
It's like a subsection.
Yeah. I mean, it has 2 curtains.
It has 2 curtains, and I never pull this one out because I feel like that just make it even darker.
Can we just remove it?
I mean, we could. Maybe that'll be a task for next week.
Yeah.
Cause like I don't get why you would make it darker. I can like if I'm shaving, I can barely see myself.
Oh no, I have to like open up the shower curtain and all the water runs out.
But then my clothes are wet, the floor's wet, and I'm like, oh my gosh.
Yeah.
So like it's actually miserable, but we have our towels here. Really cute. This is my little head towel, makes me look fucking stupid whenever I put it on. But I gotta dry my hair, guys, whatever. These are actually our robes.
Our robes.
This is Belle's robe, this is my robe. She's brand new and she's actually like my favorite thing in the world. Like I wanna wear her all the time. Like I'll look forward to showering in the morning because then I can wear my little robe. Like she's soft and I adore her. That's our bathroom. We're not going to our closet because we put everything that we don't want to show in the dorm tour in our closet.
Yeah.
But just so you know, it is humongous.
Should we show them E.T.?
Yeah, we should show E.T. Look at E.T.
He's in the corner.
So fun story. Also this is our like chore wall that we like follow but don't. Like we just know like this needs to get done at some point this week. And that's our priority. Here's E.T. though. I got him. Where the hell did I get E.T.? It was in the States. It was one of those stores that's in the States that isn't in Canada. TJ Maxx. I got it with my mom and she just saw it and she was like, this reminds me of your brother. Sorry, John, but it was because of the hoodie and the blue eyes. It wasn't because he looks like E.T. It was because of the hoodie and the blue eyes. So she was like, this is like John. And I was like, this is like John. And we bought him without like thinking about it. And then when we were packing him into like the moving carts when we were moving in, my dad like squished like all the stuff down and he squeaked. And that's when we discovered that he is a dog toy. He's not actually like a stuffed animal. I don't know if it's his head. Mm-hmm. And all 3 of us said at the same time, he squeaks! And it was really sweet. It was a sweet moment. But yeah, this is E.T. and we decided to keep him here. Because I didn't really know where else to put him. So that's where he is. And he did scare Isabella for the first like week that she was here.
Oh yeah.
It took a little bit of getting used to. And this is our fire escape plan in case we die. And that's the room tour, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and link in the description. I hate you all.